In this video, we will take Medeco M3 Key as an example to demonstrate how to cut a key using Condor XC Twin's household key database feature. This is the Medeco M3 Key to be decoded and cut today. The key has a total of 6 cuts. Each cut can have 3 possible angle options, and even the same cut angle can be oriented front or rear. The lock cylinder has high precision and a complex structure. When decoding and cutting this key, it is necessary to use the dedicated MDC block as well as a specialized DO6 dimple cutter. First, select Household. Then click on Brand Model, find the Medeco brand. Select the M3 model, and choose the 6 cuts option. Next, place the dedicated MDC block on the lower layer of M5 L-clamp side B. The shoulder of the block must be aligned against the outer edge of the clamp. Then insert the original key into the block. The key shoulder must also be aligned against the outer edge of the block for proper shoulder positioning. Once the key is secured, click on Decode key. The machine will automatically read the key's bidding codes and angles. Once completed, the result is shown on screen. Now, insert the new key blank. Similarly, the key's shoulder must be aligned against the outer edge of the block. Install the dedicated DO6 dimple cutter and set it up, then lower the protective cover and click on Cut. The key cutting is complete. Open the protective cover, clean away the chips, and remove the key. Test the key for unlocking. The key can open the lock normally, cutting successful. That's all for this video on decoding and cutting a Medeco M3 Key with Condor XC Twins. Beyond Medeco M3, the household key database supports a wide range of other key types. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.